Alright, today's video, replacing the headlights on my van and making my hood look a little nicer. Amazon headlight specials are in. Easy install. I tried making the hood look nicer. I used Meguiar's Ultimate compound on it with a buffer, and it didn't do much. I need to repaint this. I'll use Plasti Dip or bed liner, not sure yet. But there's the headlights. 92 to I believe 2008 Econolines use this style headlight. Really easy to install. I don't even think you need my help, so I'll put the install part later. I have a couple of tips on how to install them. I noticed a lot of you with 92s to 08s have this style of headlight in your van already. If you're new to Ford Econolines, if you're just getting started on your build, these lights are really cheap. I believe they're under $150. So it might be one of the first things you do for your van, since the newest style of these lights are 2008. They're probably all cloudy by now. So there it is. Looking good. Just need to clean up the hood now. Yeah, I'll probably go black, since it has like a black tinted look, and I have black here, and I have, you know, a black grill, black on chrome. I'll probably go black on the hood. So I think black will be a nice theme. I painted the Steelies black. So, oh, black roof. The roof is only black like 2 feet back. You can't even tell because the van's so tall. But when I fixed up some rust on the roof, I just painted the whole roof, or not the whole thing, but the front part black, so it looks black up there. So black, 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 black roof, and black tinted lights. I have to point this out too. I don't know how picky you are, since it's just a Ford Econoline van. I'm not too picky with fit and finish, but there's a little play in the light. Doesn't fit as tight as OEM. So just a heads up. My girlfriend got me these Amazon headlight special. This actually looks easy. I think I just have to pull these tabs up and the headlight will come right out. All I had to do was pull these tabs up, and then you lock the headlight in by pushing it down. Real easy. Same on both sides. The corners are going to require a security bit. These are always good to have, because a lot of times manufacturers use security bits. The corner light is a T15 security bit. Starting with the driver corner light. So I'll put in the bulb. The bulb's still in there, so swap this out. Right headlight, you just twist this off and twist off the similar piece on the new one. Put this in, and then just use this to retain it. Install tip: put in the main headlight before you put in the corners. That way you could line up the mounting brackets easier. See, that's what I mean. You're able to see it much easier. You could line it up. This kit has a LED running light along the bottom. I'm not going to hook that up today, so I just put it on the negative and positive wire. Now it's off. You need about an hour to do this. Really easy. Half of your time is just taking off the headlights, lining them up, and clean up. Probably gonna just throw these in the trash because these headlights are cheap enough. I noticed a couple of you guys have it. How long did it take you guys to put these in? It came with extra hardware, extra wiring, but everything lined up with factory, so that's also what made it really easy. And don't forget, you'll need a T15 security bit. That's the only tool you're going to need.